Hello everybody, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. Guys, once again, much apologies for the past few days, or pretty much the week has been extremely busy from my end. But whilst I've been away, guys, Wojak and a few other memes has been certainly popping. And Wojak itself has done incredible gains for the past several days now. Now, in one of my early videos on Wojak, we did say that once Wojak does decide to wake up, then guys, guess what? We were about to make some serious move to the upside. And that is not all. Today, we're going to be covering quite a few different memes within the Solana network. I will be covering other memes of your choice, but you should let me know, guys, whether you want my next video or next couple of videos should be either within Base, Ethereum, BNB, Tron, or any other network, so we could talk about different memes. But without further ado, guys, why don't we, before getting straight into the video, I think you'll wonder what time it is, and it's time to strap onto your boots, put on your rocket helmets, and let's get into the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now remember guys, please nominate which memes you'd like me to talk about in my next couple of videos, or which network for me to cover. But without further ado, let's get into Wojak. Now the market cap, check this out, $206,000. We are down on a day of 21%. Go figure guys, we made a lovely move to the upside, and eventually we should be seeing a pullback, which we are seeing right now. And the current price is at 0.00001474. Now let's take a closer look. And as we can see guys, this is looking really tasty now, because it's always nice to see a pullback like this, because now it looks like we should be anywhere from here continuing our way to the upside. Even if we do see a little bit more further pullback, that is still going to be a perfect entry or reaccumulation for more entries before eventually we do continue our way to the upside. But if we quickly take a look to our left, it looks like these wicks here first has gone above this level right here. As long as we do manage to close above this green resistance line right up here, there's two resistance lines which we need to clear before us to remain extreme bullish. But overall guys, it looks like Wojak is finally back. He has woken. It's one of those lagging memes, but now we are going to see some volume kicking in, and eventually we're going to see that lovely blast to the upside just around about here guys. From a few, maybe even about over a week ago, we were less than $80,000 in terms of the market cap. So why don't we change the price to the market cap so we can see for ourselves? And check this out. We were at one point $56,000, and that was back on the 3rd of October, which is about 9 days ago, just over a week ago. And from here guys, we've made this beautiful run to the upside. In fact, we've gone as higher up as 7 freaking X move to these highs right up here. I reckon guys, once we do see the blast off above from this level and reach above that $400,000, then the sky's the limit and we should be continuing our way to the upside. I'm still quite hopeful we should be able to see 100x for Wojak. Could we see a lot more higher? Quite potentially, because the market cap is still super tiny, and I would not be surprised to see that 100x, because 10x away from here the market cap will need to reach at 2 million. 100x, the market cap will need to reach at 20 million, and then 1000x guys, at 1000x market cap will need to reach 200 million. But is it realistic enough for us to see that 1000x? Well, who knows guys, depending on the popularity of Wojak, we just may see 1000x. But anyway guys, let's just quickly dive into the rest of the memes and we will just end the show from there. Now, why don't we jump into Peng? Because so far Peng is leading the day, or at least leading at the time of recording at 4:15 London time, and the market cap is back up to that $21 million, which is pretty cool. And the price is at 21 cents, and we're up on a day of 37%. Let's take a closer look and let's check on our trades, because now we should be in a healthy trade to the upside. Let's pull out the measuring tool from here to there. Wowza, we are over 70% in profit with this trade right over here. This trade should be looking pretty good, and we should be targeting at least around about this level here first before we see a reaction. We could possibly see a retracement after retesting this resistance line right up here. Then if we do see a reaction and we do pull our way back down to here, I'll be looking to add even more of Peng before we continue our way to the upside. Either way, guys, I'm still mega bullish on Peng, at least for the short term, because if we see a return back to the last all-time highs, and today we're going to be using the wick of the candle like so, that means this trade here will give us 624% move to the upside, whereas this trade here will give us 715%. That's well over 13x just between these moves over here. And once we do smash the last all-time highs, we should be continuing our way to the upside. Well, actually, tell a lie, I don't know why I keep on doing this. The last all-time highs would be way up here, which would be even better in terms of profits. Alright guys, so that means this trade over here is going to be 1,604%, whereas this trade over here is going to give us 1,842%. So together that will become a 30x, actually, no, that will become a 32x move from down here all the way back up to the last all-time highs. How much higher can we go, guys? I would be surprised to see a 100x from the current price. And if you're looking to get in, now would be the best time. But remember, guys, this is not financial advice, just showing exactly what I'm doing. Please do your own research, and most importantly, only trade with what you can afford to lose. So why don't we jump into Manikey? Because Manikey, we are up on a day of 17%, actually 20%. The market cap is at 49 million. The price is at 0.005569. So let's take a look at the charts. All right, here we are. So yep, this is not looking too bad at all. In fact, we have actually gone above this box over here, slightly higher. Actually, this is higher high, or the most recent high, which beats the rest of these area right over here. We then pulled all the way back down to here, which will be a perfect reaccumulation phase before we retest this high right up here. So we've still got quite a bit to go. Actually, I wouldn't mind entering another trade here. Yeah, I'll be looking to add more trades here, because even if you do go back up to the next resistance line up here, that's 95% move to the upside. And then once we do smash that, we should be able to reach back up to the last all-time highs, which should be a fairly handsome move to the upside. Now, what's that? That's 269% move to the upside. Yeah, not too shabby, guys. Can we go much more higher from here? Well, guys, the market cap is already at 49 million. I reckon, guys, 10x away from here, we should be able to expect a 490 million. Yes, I could actually see 100x from here potentially, because 100x from here will put the market cap at $4.9 billion, which would not be too bad if you ask me. But anyway, guys, you let me know in the comments whether you reckon Manikey could reach up to that 100x. Now let's take a look at Success Kid. We are at just above $2 million. We are up on a day 14.51% for the past 24 hours, and the price is at 0.02325. So why don't we take a look at the charts? Okay, guys, now it's starting to look a little bit more juicy. Okay, Juicy goosey, very nice. All we got to do now is to continue away from here. We need to break this resistance line, and once we do, we should be powering our way to the upside. I am still hopeful of seeing over $2 billion market cap for Success Kid, because all these trades here will give us a very healthy trades, even between now to the last all-time highs. Like I said previously, this trade over here will give me 998. This trade here will give us 1,122, whereas this trade here will give us 884. This trade here will give us 993. This trade here will give us 841, and finally this trade here will give us 985% move to the upside. So if you do see that $2 billion market cap, guys, my trades will be insane. Hopefully you are all still mega bullish and still holding Success Kid like boss. And on top of that, dollar cost your way in, and that way you can make some serious gains. But anyway, guys, I hope you did find this useful and informative. You let me know in the comments whether you do believe in any of these memes could in fact go up to in its billions during the market cap. If not, and you're holding a particular coin that you reckon can go higher, well, you let me know in the comments, because that way, guys, on my next few videos, we'll be talking about your chosen memes. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next one.